Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.